guys, and welcome back to the channel. The next Ford Lightning? Well, sort of. Ford has recently unveiled two new supercharger packages called the FP700 in bronze or black edition, offering 700 horsepower on par with the Raptor R's numbers. These special packages are more street focused as not everyone wants a full off-road Baja truck. These two packages, available through Ford Performance, are available for 2021 and newer F-150s on every trim. The only major restriction for these packages is that it must be equipped with the 5-liter Coyote V8. The package adds a 3-liter Whipple supercharger to the top of the engine, bringing the total output from 405 horsepower to 700 horsepower and 590 foot-pounds of torque. In contrast, the Raptor R's Shelby GT500 sourced engine is good for 700 horsepower, 640 foot-pounds of torque. You can choose any cab and or any bed configuration except for the Pro Power on board or an 8-foot bed. This package is also good for 2 or 4-wheel drive. The supercharger is 50 state legal and CARB certified and is also backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty from Ford Performance. These packages include lowering springs, fender vents, Ford Performance branded carpet floor mats, black painted grills, and specific body graphics. Both packages are also compatible with Ford Performance side exit exhaust and various other accessories and are not included in the supercharger price. The black edition includes the supercharger, 22 by 9.5 inch black machined wheels, unique Ford Performance bedside graphics, black F-150 tailgate lettering, Ford Performance fender vents, gloss black grille, black lug nuts, rear lowering kit, rocker panel aero delete kit, and Ford Performance front floor mats. Tires are not included in this price, and the package weighs 430 pounds. The bronze edition is the same except for the wheels are finished in a sinister bronze. You get bronze tailgate lettering, bronze bedside graphics, but everything else is the same. Everything I've seen, this entire list of mods needs to be installed to warrant the warranty from Ford Performance. $12,350 is the price and must be installed by a Ford dealer or ASE certified mechanic to obtain the warranty. Ford is recommending that customers order these trucks with the Sport Appearance package, but any trim package is available. Now, this price may seem expensive, but a Raptor R's price hike for the V8, along with the upgraded suspension, wheels, and etc., is around $32,000 over a regular Raptor. This FP700 option, which could be had on a, say, base, regular cab, 2-wheel drive short bed, hello Lightning, gives shoppers the ability to have a 700 horsepower, fast, lowered truck, or you could lift it. The options are endless. My overall take is I think this is absolutely incredible, and what a time that Ford is offering. And even though we're seeing a push towards EVs, it's great to have a CEO who refuses to give up on internal combustion vehicles and give customers the option to go full EV or full old school with a blown V8. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and leave me a comment on what you think of Ford finally introducing a supercharger package for the F-150s. Again, I think this is incredible, and I'm glad that Ford is doing it. As always, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you next time.